Here we are in the Red Rose Tavern.
¿Qué pidieron para los niños? Pizza, güey.
So here at the Red Rose Tavern today, we are going to be trying the gray stuff. We hear it's delicious. And also, this is their Lumiere's chicken sandwich, and it has apple slaw on it, which looks delicious. So we'll give that a try. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try their chicken sandwich with the apple slaw. This looks delicious, as you can see. It's delicious. It's really good. These fries are really good too. They're super garlicky. You can see it's got garlic and parsley. So what do you think, honey?
Just good. Very tasty.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try the gray stuff. Getting a bite here. It's really good. There's like a sort of lemon shortbread wafer on the bottom. If you can see, there's kind of a lemon shortbread wafer on the bottom, and it's a gray mousse on the outside. It's delicious. On the inside here, if you can see, is red velvet cake, and then somewhere in the center, there's supposed to be a raspberry filling as well. So that is really good. So it's official. The gray stuff is indeed delicious.